Arabian Sea has intensified into a low pressure area on 13th May morning and is very likely to intensify further. The associated maximum sustained wind speed is 10 to 15 knots, gusting to 25 knots. With this system, the estimated central pressure is 1004 millibars. Sea condition is moderate to rough. The probability of the formation of this depression is very high in the next 48 to 72 hours. Rainfall warning has been placed for Lakshadweep and Kerala, Tamil Nadu in the Ghat districts, and in Karnataka in coastal and adjoining Ghat districts. Also they are placed in South Konkan and Goa and in Gujarat. In Lakshadweep there is a heavy rainfall warning from 13th and 14th May and in 15th and 16th May. In Kerala there is heavy to very heavy rainfall warning on 14th May and on 15th, 16th and 17th May. In the Ghat districts of Tamil Nadu, heavy to very heavy rainfall is very likely on 14th May and in 15th May and in 16th May. In Karnataka, in the coastal and adjoining Ghat districts, heavy rainfall is very likely from 13th May and it will continue until 17th May. In the South Konkan and Goa, light to moderate rainfall at many places with heavy falls at isolated places very likely on 15th May and heavy to very heavy falls at a few places on 16th and 17th May. In Gujarat, rainfall activity is very likely to commence from 17th May, and as the cyclone is predicted to reach the Gujarat coast on 18th May, so there will be a significant increase of the rainfall during the subsequent 2 days with very heavy rainfall at a few places over Saurashtra and Kutch on 18th and isolated heavy to very heavy falls over Kutch and adjoining southwest Rajasthan on 19th May. And this is the wind warning which is given, that squally weather with wind speed reaching 40 to 50 km, gusting up to 60 km is very likely over Southeast Arabian Sea and adjoining Lakshadweep Maldives area and equatorial Indian Ocean on 13th and 14th May, and is very likely to increase gradually up to 50 to 60 km, gusting up to 70 km from 15th May. And it is likely to increase gradually, becoming gale wind speed reaching 60 to 70 km, gusting up to 80 km over east central Arabian Sea and adjoining southeast Arabian Sea and Lakshadweep area from 16th May morning. Squally wind speed reaching 40 to 50 km, gusting up to 60 km likely along and off Kerala coast on 14th May, and 50 to 60 km, gusting up to 70 km along and off Kerala Karnataka coasts from 15th May, becoming gale wind speeds reaching 60 to 70 km, gusting up to 80 km on 16th May. Squally wind speed reaching 40 to 50 km, gusting up to 60 km likely along and off South Maharashtra and Goa coasts on 15th, and 50 to 60 km, gusting to 70 km along and off South Maharashtra Goa coasts on 16th May. Squally wind speed reaching 40 to 50 km, gusting up to 60 km likely over northeast Arabian Sea and along and off South Gujarat and Daman and Diu coasts on 17th morning, and gradually increase, becoming gale winds speed reaching 60 to 70 km, gusting up to 80 km over northeast Arabian Sea along and off Gujarat coast from 18th May morning, and is likely to increase gradually till 18th evening. Talking about the sea conditions over Southeast Arabian Sea and adjoining Lakshadweep Maldives area and equatorial Indian Ocean will be rough to very rough on 13th and 14th May. Sea condition over East Central Arabian Sea will be very rough to high. A low pressure area has formed over Southeast Arabian Sea and adjoining Lakshadweep area on 13th May morning. It is very likely to become well marked over sea conditions will be rough to very rough over Common area and along and off Kerala coast on 14th and 15th. Very rough to high over East Central Arabian Sea along and off Karnataka. The cyclonic circulation that has formed over Arabian Sea has intensified into a low pressure area on 13th May morning and is very likely to intensify further. Sea along and off South Gujarat coast from 17th May morning. Let's talk about the tidal wave and fishermen warning. As about the tidal wave warning of about 1 meter height above the astronomical tide is very likely to inundate low-lying areas of Lakshadweep Islands on 15th and 16th May. And if you talk about a low pressure area has formed over Southeast Arabian Sea and adjoining Lakshadweep area on 13th May morning. It is very likely to become well marked over Lakshadweep, Maldives areas from 13th May, East Central Arabian Sea along and off Karnataka coast from 14th May into East Central Arabian Sea and along. The cyclonic circulation that has formed over Arabian Sea has intensified into a low pressure area on 13th May morning and is very likely to intensify further. Cyclone Tauktai is currently near the Lakshadweeps and 16th May and reached the Gujarat coast by 18th May. Updates of this cyclone.